In the last class we learned about additions. Now we are going to learn about multiplications. Multiplications by distributive law. What is meant by distributive law means, for example, if any number n can be written as a plus b, and if I multiply n with a number k, then I can write this as where n equal to a plus b, a plus b, then the result will be ka plus kb, where k is the distributor and the distributor is the left hand side of it, so we will call it as left distributive law, but that is not important now. So what I want to say is, for example, if I want to calculate 18 into 3, if I take 3 as k, that means 3 as distributor, I can write 18 as 10 plus 8 into 3. Now I can write 3 into 10, 30, plus 3 into 8, 24. This is nothing but 54. And I can write this as 18 as 20 minus 2 also. It depends on my ease. I can write this as 10 plus 8 also. I can write this as 20 minus 2 also. If I write like this, 3 into 20 is 60, minus 3 into 2 is 6. 60 minus 6 is 54. So I can say now if n is equal to a minus b, then I can write kn as ka minus kb, then it will be ka minus kb. K into a minus b equal to ka minus kb. So this is the distributive law. We are going to apply this in our method to calculate the case of multiplying a 2-digit number with a single-digit number. For example, 18 into 3. What I will do means, and always remember one thing, splitting always depends on our comfort. For example, I can split this into 20 minus 2 or 10 plus 8 or 15 plus 3. I can write 18 in different ways. If I am comfortable in 15 multiplication, I will write 15 plus 3. If I am comfortable in 10 calculation, I will write 10 plus 8. For example, in all our problems we will try to take 10 as splitting factor because it will be easy for us to calculate. For example, if I have to calculate 17 into 4, what I will do means I will split 17 as 10 and 7 and I will take 4 as distributor. 4 into 10 is 40 plus 4 into 7 is 28. This is nothing but 68. What we have to observe in this method means 40 plus 28. The unit digit will be always 8 because we are taking 10 here because 10 is a decimal number now, so you will get unit digit as 0 here and 0 will be merged with 8 and the unit digit will be 8. That means unit digit of the digit other than 10 will be our unit digit here. That means 8 will be the unit digit. For example, if I say 18 into 6, this is 60 plus 48. What will be the unit digit means you will get unit digit only. Thus 8 into 6 only we will get here. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So we will try to reduce our steps because 0 is not playing a prominent role. So I will remember only 6 and I will add 4 to 6. So I will get 10 easily. For example, we will see some more problems. 19 into 7. What I will do, for example, let us go in a slow manner. 70 plus 9 into 7, 63. What I am getting means unit digit 3 only. What is the unit digit in 9 into 7? It is 63. That means 3. 3 only you will get. And 7 is added to 6. That means 133. And if we reduce one step, that means what I want to say is, I will see 7 ones are 7. 7 only. I won't see 0. I won't say 7 tens are 70 plus 7 nines are 63. I will reduce one step. For example, 23 into 6. What I will say means 6 twos are 12 and 6 threes are 18 and 1 in that 18 will be added to 12. That means 13 and unit digit will be 8. For example, I will repeat slowly. What I will do means I will convert this as 20 and 3. 6 will be the distributor. 6 into 20, this is 120 plus 6 into 3, this is 18. What I want to say is unit digit here will be 8 only and 12 is added to 1, so 13. what I did means 6 to what from this 12 is from where we got this 12 means 6 2s are 12. Where we got this 1 means 6 3s are 18. 1 in that 18 will be added to 12. We will get 138. Why it will be added to 12? We discussed it in the previous video. For example, if you solve more problems, you will get clarity on it. For example, 24 into 7. What I will do is 7 2s are 14, 7 4s are 28. 14 plus 2 16 and 8 will be the unit digit. For example, if you are not able to digest it fast, then I will write in slow manner. 26 into 4. What you have to do is 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24. Unit digit will be 4, no problem. 4 2s are 8 plus 4 6 are 24. 2 in the 24 will be added to 8 and this will be 104. For example, write unit digit first, then try to skip the unit digit step also. For example, 27 into 3. 7 3 2s are 6 and 7 3s are 21. 1 will be here. 3 2s are 6 and 7 3s are 21. 2 and 6 will be combined and it will be 81. Now we will try to reduce the unit digit step also. For example, 32 into 8. 8 3s are 24. 8 2s are 16. 6. 24 1 plus 1. 25. Where 24 comes means 8 3s are 24 and 1 in 8 16. That means 8 2s are 16. The 1 in that 16 will be added to 8 3s are 24. This will be 25. So if I have to calculate 37 into 4, that means 3 4s are 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28. 8 12 plus 2 14, 148. This is 4. And if I have to calculate 49 into 3, although I can write 49 into 3 as 50 minus 3, 150 minus 3 is 147, but we will try to add for this also. I can write this as 40 minus 3, 160 minus 12 is 148, and splitting always depends on us, so we will try to add in a complex way. So I choose the addition. What I will do is 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27, 7 will be here, 12 plus 2 is 14, 147. For example, we will see 46 into 7. 7 4s are 28, 7 6 are 42. 2 here, 7 4s are 28 and 4. 28 and 4 is 32. From now onwards, we will see some more complex ones. 98 into 7. 9 8s are 63. Keep 63 in mind, because we won't call 63, for example, call 63 as 630 because this is 90 plus 8, and 7 8s are 56. Then 6 will be here only, and 63 plus 5 will be 68. That means 686 will be our result. For example, let us see that, although you can calculate this as 100 minus 2, 700 minus 14 is 686. So 7 9s are 63. 63 you should keep in mind. 7 8s are 56. 6 will be here and 5 will be in our hand, and 63 plus 5 is 68. 686 will be our result. For example, if you see the case of multiplying 2-digit number with a single digit number, another one, 90, for example, 78 into 4. 4 zeros are 28, 4 6 are 32, 2 3 in 32 and 4 zeros are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31, 312. If we see the case of, let us see some more examples in it. On it. So if I have to calculate 37 into 3, what we will do means 30 and 7. I will split it as 30 plus 7 into 3. 33 is 90 plus, this is 21. We will write this as 111. 90 plus 21, 111. This is 740 is 280 plus 7 6 are 42. What we will get means 28 plus 4 is 32 beside 2. Up to now we follow this method. From now onwards, what we will do means 0 will be merged with 2. So 2 will be the unit digit and 28 will be added to 4. We know that 28 will be added to 4 and we will add 28 to 4. We will do directly this step from here. This 28 came from 7 into 4. This is 28 and this 4 came from the digit left after unit digit. That means 7 into 6 is 42. The digit left after unit digit is 4. So 28 plus 4 is 32. So we will calculate using this step. So what we will do here means 6 4s are 24. 24 will be in our mind, and 4 4s are 16. So 6 will be our unit digit. 6 we will write here, and 24 plus 1 in 16 will be added to 25. So it will be 25. And 6 5s are 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 8 5s are 40. 0 will be our unit digit. We know that 0 will be our unit digit, and 48 plus 4 will be 52. So 520 is our result. From now onwards we will try to stop writing unit digit, and we will reduce that step also. For example, what we will do means 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, 4 we will keep in our mind, and we won't write here 4. 49 plus 4 is 50, and 4 we will write here 504. For example, if I say 8 7s are 56 plus 8 8s are 64, 4 will be our unit digit. 56 plus 6 is 62, 4 is our unit digit. 6 9s are 54, 54 should be in our mind. 6 3 is 18, 8 will be the unit digit. 54 plus 1 55, and 8 will be the unit digit. 8 8s are 64, 64 should be in our mind. 8 7s are 56, 6 will be the unit digit. 5 and 56 is added to 64, 696. So 8 6 are 48, 48 should be in our mind. 8 7s are 56, 6 will be the unit digit, and in the 5 in 56 is added to 48. 48 plus 5 is 53, and unit digit is 6. For example, if I have to calculate this, 4 9s are 36 plus 63. 36 plus 6 is 42, and unit digit is 3. 48 into 6. 6 7s are 42, 8 6 are 48. 42 plus 4 is 46, unit digit is 8. 5 9s are 45. 45 should be in mind. 5 3s are 15. 45 plus 1 46, and 5 will be the unit digit. If you create some more questions, and if you solve these examples, and if you practice more, then we will be comfortable in solving 2-digit number with 2-digit number, where one of this number is known, either this or this. We will see this in the next case. If I take 13 as distributed here, 13 tens are 130 plus 13 ones are 13. We know how to add it. 13 plus 1 is 14 beside 3. So now we will do the same step. 13 ones are 13, 13 will be in our mind, and 13 ones are 13. 3 will be the unit digit, and 1 is added to 13, this will be 14. We will follow the same step. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. 14 plus 2 is 16, and 8 will be the unit digit. 18 into 16. 18 ones are 18, 18 6 are 108. 108, 10 in 108 is added to 18. This is 28, and this is 8. If we take 16 as distributor, 16 ones are 16 plus 16 8s are 128. 16 plus 12 is 28, and 8 is unit digit. 8 is in 128. 12 into 21. If I take 12 as distributor, because I know multiplication with 12, so what I will do is 12 2s are 24, 12 1s are 12. 24 plus 1, 25 beside 2. 2 is the unit digit. 12 1s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1 in 12 1s are 1. 12 1s are 12. 24 plus 1 is 25 beside 2. 31 into 14. If I take 14 as distributor, 14 3s is 42. 42 plus 1, 43 beside 4. 23 into 17. If I take 17 as distributor, 17 2s 34. 34 should be in our mind. 73 is 51. 34 plus 5 is 39, and 1 is unit digit. For example, if you see 16 4s is 64, and 16 4s is 64. 64 plus 6 is 70 beside 4. 97 into 4. 14 9s are 126 plus 14 7s are 14 7s is 98. For example, in this type of case, this is the first case we are seeing this 1260 plus 98. This is adding a 4-digit number with a 2-digit number. We will see the same process here. We will group unit digit and unit digit, and 126 plus 9 will be 135, and unit digit will be 8. What we will do means we will see unit digit 8 as it is, and we will add 126 to 9. If we say this, 14 9s is 128 and 14 7s is 98. 8 will be the unit digit and 126 plus 9 is 135. If we see the same thing here, 17 5s is 85. 85 plus 76 is 102. 85 plus 10 is 95 beside 2. You can see this here. 15 9s is 135. 135, 15 3 is 45. 135 plus 4, 139 beside 5. For example, if we see this clearly, 15 9s is 135, 0 plus 15 3s is 45. We know that 0 plus 5 is not disturbed, always 5, so we will keep 5 in that mind, and we will add 135 to 4, so we will get 139. You no need to add 90 plus 45 is 90, 50 plus 45 is 95, and 13 as it is. Better than this, I feel adding 135 to 4 is better. For example, 29 into 16, 16 to 32 plus 69 is 144, 32 plus 14, 46, and 4 as result. For example, you can calculate like this also. 16 3 is 480 minus 1, 16 into 1 is 16, 480 minus 16 is 464, 13 4s are 52, 13 7s are 91, 52 plus 9 is 61 beside 1. So if you go on calculating like this, you can be able to solve the multiplication of 2-digit number with a 2-digit number where one number, either this or this, is known. Now we will see the case of multiplying a 3-digit number with single-digit number and double-digit number where double-digit number is known. Case of adding 3-digit number with a single-digit number. So what I will do is I will form this. I will write this as 110 plus 3. That means 4 into 110 is 440 plus 4 3s are 12. So 452. This is the method. That means what I am doing means I am grouping this 2-digit as 1 unit and 3 as 1 unit. What I will do next means, as it is, 4 11s are 44 and 4 3s are 12. 1 in 12 will be added to 44. This is 45, and 2 in 12 will be our unit digit. For example, if you do the same, 12 into 9 is 108. 12 7s are 63. 108 plus 6 is 114 besides 3. Beside 3. 15 4s are 60 and 61 beside 2. 16 7s are 112 plus 6. 112 plus 6 is 118 beside 3. 17 6 are 102. 3 6 are 18. 103 8. For example, 18 8s are 144 plus 7. 151 beside 2. You can calculate like this also. 190 minus 1 into 8. 1520 minus 8 is 1512. 20. So I will calculate as before how 2-digit number is multiplied with a single-digit number. So 6 2s are 12 and 6 126. 126 I will keep in my mind. 6 5s are 30. 126 plus 3 is 129 and 0 beside it. 9 3, here also I don't know 31 into 9, so I will calculate it. 9 3 is 27 to 279 and 9 2s are 18. 279 plus 1 in 18, 279 plus 1 280, and 8 is the unit digit. So 9 4s are 36 plus 9 7s are 63. 36 plus 6 42. 423. 423 plus 1 424, and 8 will be the unit digit because 9 2s are 18. So 8 5s are 40. 8 9s are 72. 472, and 8 3s are 24. 472 plus 2 474, and 4 will be the unit digit. So you can calculate like this also. 600 minus 7. 4800 minus 56. 100 minus 56 is 44, so 4744. 4744. 8 9s are 72. 8 6 are 48. 72 plus 4 is 768. 768. 8 8s are 64. 768 plus 64. 68 plus 6 is 74. 774 beside 4. So you can calculate this without touching the pen. So in order to get fast in this, you have to start from the basics, from basic additions, multiplying 2-digit number with a 2-digit number, single digit number with a 2-digit number, single digit number with a 3-digit number. You have to practice more so that you can calculate very fast in it. For example, 1342 plus 39. For example, in this calculation, what you have to keep means 134 plus 3, 137, but 9 and 2 forming a unit digit. So we will add 1 to 137, that will be 138, and unit digit will be 1. This is discussed in previous class. If we practice this, then when we are imagining how to add a number, then it will be easy for us. Let us see the case of multiplying 3-digit number with a 2-digit number, where this 2-digit is known for us. That means multiplication of this 2-digit is known. That means if we know 17 table, 18 table, so like this, if we know any table like this, we can multiply that without touching the pen. We will see that method. By practicing more and more, we can be more ease and comfort in it. Now we will split in terms of 24 and 2, because up to now we learned how to multiply a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number, where one number of these 2 digits is known. So we know the multiplication with 12, so we will multiply this 12 with 24. 12 into 24 is 12 2s are 24 plus 4, 28, 288. That means I split this into 240 plus 2, 288 0 plus 12 2s are 24. If I group these two, 294, this is 4. That means what we can understand by this method means, we know 288, we learned how to get 288. 12 into 24 is 288, but we want to reduce this step also. So if we observe this clearly, as we observed before, 0 plus 4, 0 is merged with 4, and 4 will be the unit digit, because where this 4 came means 12 into 2. So what we added to get 290 means, we added 2 to 288, where this 2 came means in 12 into 2, the digit left before unit digit will be this result 2, and this will be added to 288, and this will be 290. So we will let us see this. 13 into 26, 13 into 26, 78, 26 plus 7, 33, 338, 0 plus 13. We should add 338 to 1 to 338, that means 339 beside 3. So likewise, if we practice this without writing, 14 4s are 56, 14 8s are 120, 14 8s are 112, 56 plus 11 is 67, 672, 672 plus 14 3s is 42, 672 plus 4 is 676. So 2, 6762 will be our result. For example, if we calculate this, 15 9s 135, 135, 15 3 is 44, 135 plus 4 is 139, 1395, 1395 should be in our mind, 1395, 15 7s is 105, 1395 plus 10, 1405, but 5 is remaining in 105 now, so 10455 will be our result. For example, if I have to calculate this, 16 9s 144, 16 8s 128, 144 plus 12 156, and 8 in 128 will be beside 156, so 1568, 1568, 16 into 7 112, 1568 plus 11 1579 beside 2. If I calculate this, 19 8s, 19 8s are 152, 152 plus 19 7 133, 152 plus 13, 52 plus 13 will be 65, 1653, 1653 should be in our mind, 1653 plus 5, 1658, and unit digit will be 7. 7 from where 7 came is 19 3s are 57, 5 plus 1653 is 1658. For example, if I multiply this with 16, 16 5s are 80, 16 9s are 144, 80 plus 14, this will be 94, and 4 is beside 944, and 16 to 944, 16 2s is 32, 944 plus 3, 947, and 2 will be here, 9472. And you can calculate like this also, 600 minus 8. 16 into 600 is 9600 and 16 into 8 is 128. 28, 76, 94. 28 means 72. I am sorry. And 673 into 24. 24 into 673. I don't know how to multiply with 24. In this type of cases, you can calculate so slowly. I don't know 24 into 6. I don't know 24 into 7. I know only 24 into 3. What I have to do is 6 into 24. You should calculate fast, because if we practice more times, then it will be easy for us. 6 to 120 plus 24, 144. 24 into 6 is 144. 144 should be in our mind. And 24 into 7, 140 plus 28, 168. 168 should be in our mind. So now I got 24 into 6 is 144. 24 into 7 is 168. So 144 plus 16. 144 plus 16 will be 160 and 8, 1608. 1608 plus 7, 1615. Beside 2, because 23 into 4 is 72. So you can calculate the multiplication of 3-digit number with a 2-digit number, even if you don't know the multiplication with this number. So if you practice this more, then you can be comfortably solve any type of problem without touching the pen. In starting it may take some time, but after practicing it will be very interesting and our mind will be very sharp. A 2-digit number is multiplying with a 2-digit number. I don't know the multiplication with this number and I don't know the multiplication with this number. So how to deal this type of situations means, as it is 27, if I take 27 as distributor, I will write this as 40 plus 3. I know how to multiply 27 with 4 and 27 with 3. So in this type of cases, memory plays a prominent role. We should keep in our mind, and we have to practice how memorizing some numbers. For example, if I say 169, then 169 should be in our mind, and after doing some calculation, then we have to remember 169 again. For example, 27 into 4. I don't know what is 27 into 4. This is, I will calculate like 80 plus 28 is 108. So 1080 plus 27 into 3. How to calculate 27 into 3 means 60 plus 21. This is 81. What I will do is 108 plus 6, 1161. So I will calculate like this. Now we will try without touching the pen. So 27, if we observe this, unit digit is same like here. So in 27 into 3, the unit digit is 1. So 1 it is here. So 108 is added to 8 as we see in the previous one. So we will try for this. Now we will try for this only, and we also don't know that multiplication with 43 na. So we will try with this. I will take 43 as distributor. 43 into 2, this is 80 plus 6, 86, and we will keep 86 in our mind. And 43 into 7, this is 280 plus 21, 301. This we kept 86 in our mind na. 86 plus in 301 we will add 30. 86 plus 30 is nothing but 116. In 301, 1 will be unit digit, so 1161. So if we calculate 31 into 43, I will take 31 as distributor. 31 into 4, this is nothing but 124. 31 into 3, 93. 124 plus 9 is nothing but 133. And in that 93, 3 will be the unit digit, so 1333. I will try this with this also, because we don't know the multiplication with 43. 43 is 129 plus 43. 129 plus 4 is not again 133, and 3 will be the unit digit. So 36 into 53. 36 into 5, this is 180, and 36 into 3, this is 108. 180 plus 10, 190, and in 108, 8 is the unit digit now. 8 will be as it is. For example, you can calculate with this with 53 also. 53 into 3, 159 plus 159. 53 into 6, 300 plus 18 is 318. Here 159 plus 318. 318 means 31. 159 plus 31. 59 plus 31 is 90. 190 besides this is 318 now. 8 will be in 389 will be 8. 1908. You can calculate this with if I take 54 as distributor, 54 into 3, 150, 162 I will keep in my mind, and 54 into 6, 54 into 6 will be 324. I have 162 in my mind. 162 plus 32, 62 plus 32 is 194, and 4 will be the unit digit. So 1944 is our result. 69. If I have to calculate this, I will take 69 as distributor. I will calculate this. 6 4s are 24, 42, 282. I will keep 282 in my mind. 282. 9 4s are 36, 63, 423. 282 plus 423. 282 plus 42, 28 4, 32, 32 4 3. 3243 will be our result. So 3 is from this 7 into 9, this 47 into 9, where this is 36 plus 63, this 423. 78 into 87. If I take 78 as distributor, 7 into 87, 7 8s are 56, 49, 56 plus 4, 60, 609. 609 I will keep in my mind, and 8 into 87, 8 8s are 64 plus 64 plus 5, 69, 696, 696 and 609, 609 plus 696, 609 plus 69 we have to calculate. 609 plus 69, 60 plus 6, 66, 67, 8, and 6 will be the unit digit. So 6786 will be our result. So if I have to calculate 45 into 33, 45 into 3, this is nothing but 135. 135, this is also 135. 135 plus 13, 35 plus 13 will be 48. 148 beside 5. So you can calculate with reverse also. 33 into 4, 130, 33 into 4, 132. 33 into 5, this is 150 plus 15, 165. 132 plus 16, 148 beside 5. This thing more and more, you can get more comfort in it. If you like this video, if you like this explanation, please like, subscribe and give feedback in the comment section. Thank you.